What is up, everybody? Today I'm going to teach you how to remove embedded stains in your car's wheels. All you will need is some rubbing compound, 2 clean microfiber towels, and some dish soap and water. So let's get started. What you want to do first is spray some dish soap and water to clean up the area. Then wipe it up with a microfiber towel. Once you have cleaned up the area, what you want to do is get the second microfiber towel you have and put some rubbing compound on there. Once you have done that, rub it onto the wheel. If you want, you can get some more rubbing compound. Okay, once the stains are gone, now you can just buff off the area. Guys, take a look at that. After 2 simple steps, those embedded stains are gone. Take a look at this before and after. Before and after. If you guys enjoyed this video, please subscribe, drop a like, and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.